Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 251. If we start with this box, we're just missing a 5. For this column, we're just missing a 6. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column now, we're just missing a 2. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8, or no, 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we're just missing a 6. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9, which is the same here, so we can just plug in. If we make this our 7, that would make this our 9, 7, and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.